Our CityxChange process started, it started a couple of years ago, and it started really from scratch. The whole project has been like a collaborative internal growth procedure for our organization, and this has of course some spillover effects outside the organization as well. Because of course, if we are improving how we are engaging with our citizens, the citizens become more engaged with everything that's happening in the municipality. Bold City Vision, for example, has been an excellent tool to kind of create a story, create a story that ties together the sustainable development goals on a global level, national level, local level, ties that together with the everyday work of municipality employees, and shows also how these developments or strategic targets or visionary targets are beneficial to the citizens. Regarding Bold City Vision, the barrier was that we perhaps didn't engage the higher municipality level in the co-design process, or the political level in the co-design process early enough. So we had some setbacks there, but thankfully there was a strong political commitment to push the Bold City Vision through. So it was not about whether to do that, but how it should look like. With Bold City Vision, for example, I have a feeling that somehow the citizens could be engaged annually, at least. I think for scoping activities and stuff like that, you can bring them on board before you even start. The municipality works to improve the lives of its citizens, while keeping the physical environment and the nature intact as much as possible. So if you're not talking to your citizens, you don't know basically how to improve their lives. It's a very simplified view, perhaps, but I think that's a valid argument.